Today we are diving into an incredible topic that can fundamentally change your life, granting you the power to shape your reality like a quantum magician. We are exploring the revolutionary teachings of Vadim Zeland, a profound system he calls Reality Transurfing. I'm talking about a secret so momentous, so life-altering, that its discoverer, a former Russian quantum physicist and technology specialist, abandoned his entire career in 1993. Why? Because he realized that reality already exists as infinite parallel frames, like versions of a pre-recorded film, all waiting for us to choose them. This realization was his ultimate awakening, compelling him to share this deep wisdom with the world. This is not just motivational talk. This is a technology of choice, backed by a mind trained in the rigorous principles of physics. Today we will explore this physicist's concept of surfing the waves of reality. What if I told you that life is not a harsh struggle, but a vast, boundless ocean, and you are a skilled surfer whose only task is to catch the perfect wave? We will learn how to identify the best wave, master the essential skill of balance on our board, and manifest our deepest dreams effortlessly. Get ready to grab your board. We are rewriting reality by changing our relationship with it. The core principle of Zeland's theory is simple yet mind-blowing. Information is primary and matter is secondary. This statement radically contradicts our everyday perception that what we see, touch, and feel, the material world, is the ultimate truth. According to Zeland, this is a profound misunderstanding. The universe's true essence resides not in matter, but in a vast, colossal information sphere he calls the space of variations. Think of this space as the master archive of the universe. It is a boundless library containing the blueprints and information for every single event, every possible destiny, every conceivable outcome, and every version of you that ever was or could be. It is the repository of all potential. As Zeland notes in his work, this information field doesn't adhere to the conventional laws of physics and, therefore, remains largely unstudied by mainstream science. But he asserts that it is the source code of the material universe. The material universe, conversely, is merely the manifestation of one of those infinite potential blueprints. It is the single, fleeting frame from the infinite film reel of the space of variations. Reality exists only for a moment, like a frame moving from the past to the future, Zeland writes. Matter is a secondary, delayed result of the information chosen from the primary field. This distinction is crucial, as it fundamentally changes how we view the power of our minds. Since matter is secondary, Zeland asserts that the common belief that thought is material and can directly impact matter is incorrect. Your thought does not physically push objects or create money out of thin air. Instead, your thought, your focused attention, and especially your inner state, act as a marker or a pointer. This marker's job is to align you with, or tune in to, the specific film strip in the information sphere that corresponds to your chosen reality. Your life begins to be filled with everything you focus your attention on. This is why transurfing is so unique. It's not about forcing an outcome, it's about consciously selecting the desired trajectory within the space of variations. You are not creating the wave. You are tuning your mind to the specific frequency of the wave you wish to ride. Now we come to the most critical skill for any transurfer, the art of reducing importance. Imagine a surfer desperately wanting to catch a massive wave. If they are tense, stiff, and obsessed with not falling, what happens? They lose their balance, their flexibility, and they are inevitably thrown off the board. Zeland refers to this obsessive, desperate attachment as excess potential. Excess potential is created whenever we assign too much significance to an object, a goal, a relationship, or an outcome. When we think, I must have this job or my life is ruined, we generate an energetic imbalance, a distortion in the energy field. As Zeland states in Transurfing the 1, the space of variations, importance creates potential energy, and this energy is dissipated by balancing forces. The universe constantly seeks equilibrium. To neutralize this energetic excess, this frantic desire, the universe activates balancing forces. These forces often manifest as obstacles, delays, frustration, or even the exact opposite of what you desired, simply to balance out the obsessive energy you projected. The desperate search for a partner often repels potential mates. The frantic need for money creates debt. The solution is simple, yet profound. Reduce importance. This means dropping the neurotic attachment and emotional dependence on the outcome. This is not about apathy. It's about shifting to a state of relaxed certainty. Like the skilled surfer who knows the wave is coming and trusts their ability to ride it, you must treat your goals as no big deal. By acting as if your goal is already guaranteed, already set in stone in the information sphere, you dissolve the excess potential. This allows the balancing forces to step aside, making way for synchronicities and the effortless manifestation of your chosen reality. As a surfer, you must also be aware of the turbulent energy structures that exist beneath the surface of the ocean. Pendulums. Zeland defines pendulums as energy information structures, entities created by the collective thoughts and energy of a group of people focused in one direction. Examples include political parties, religious organizations, sports teams, fashion trends, corporate cultures, and even recurring conflicts or arguments. Pendulums are hungry. Their sole purpose is to survive by sucking energy from their followers. When you get caught up in a pendulum's rhythm, through anger, fear, condemnation, or emotional attachment, you are feeding it your vital energy, often at the expense of your personal goals and freedom. Transurfing teaches you not to fight the pendulums. Fighting only feeds them more energy. Instead, you must avoid being drawn into their energetic swirl. As the physicist teaches, do not engage in conflict with a pendulum. Just step aside. This means choosing not to react emotionally to news, gossip, or controversy, thereby conserving your energy to fuel your own chosen film strip. How exactly does the surfer tune their focus to the right wave? Through the target slide. The target slide is a practical tool detailed in Transurfing 2, the rustle of morning stars. It is not mere visualization. It is a vivid, multi-sensory mental picture of the reality you desire, experienced as if you are already living it now. You must feel the texture, smell the air, hear the sounds, making the image real to your subconscious. Crucially, the target slide works best when there is unity between the soul, heart, and the mind, reason. The soul represents your deepest, genuine desires, the wave you truly want to ride. The mind is the rational, analytical part, often filled with doubt and skepticism. That's impossible, I'm not good enough. When the soul craves something and the mind rejects it, this disharmony creates internal energetic resistance, sabotaging your efforts. If the soul and mind unite simultaneously, your desire is realized, Zeland instructs. The target slide helps reconcile this internal conflict, allowing the mind to accept and support the soul's true desire, thus creating a powerful unified stream of intention that aligns you perfectly with your best reality. The ultimate goal of surfing the waves of reality is to live in a state of effortless flow, where life is no longer a battleground, but an elegant dance. This is the art of allowing. This philosophy can be encapsulated by the core motto, what you chase runs away, what you allow flows to you. Reality is changed by your inner state alone. By reducing the importance of the outcome, by preserving your energy from the pendulums, and by focusing your target slide with unity of soul and mind, you enter the flow. In this state, synchronicities abound, opportunities knock unexpectedly, and your goals manifest with surprising ease. Remember the physicist's core insight. You cannot change what has already happened, but you can create the reality that will happen next. To recap Zeland's powerful system, you are a skilled surfer on the ocean of infinite potential. Use the scientific insight that information is primary to guide your focus. Drop the obsession by reducing importance. Stay flexible on your board. Conserve your energy by avoiding the energetic swirls of the pendulums. And finally, choose your next trajectory by forming a clear, unified target slide. This is not a teaching of doing, but of being. By changing your inner state and your focus, you rewrite the outer reality. I hope this deep dive into Vadim Zeland's Reality Transurfing has provided you with the keys to navigate the waves of your own life. If these revolutionary ideas resonated with you, let me know in the comments which wave you're choosing next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on transforming your reality. See you next time, and start surfing your best life.